Welcome to Graphic 45. I'm Amy and I'm here to introduce our latest Deluxe Collector's Edition, Voyage Beneath the Sea. Voyage Beneath the Sea is full of gorgeous imagery, melodic mermaids, dancing octopus, and steampunk scuba divers. So come on in and let's get a close-up tour of this beautiful Deluxe Collector's Edition, Voyage Beneath the Sea. So in this Deluxe Collector's Pack, you're gonna get it and it looks like this, and it is full of goodies. You're gonna get 3 of each of the 8 double-sided 12 by 12 sheets of paper, as well as the chipboard set, coordinating chipboard, and the stickers. And so that's what that is gonna look like. And so to dive into this gorgeous collection with these really vibrant corals, rich blues and greens, turquoise, and as you can see on the signature page, this is what's setting the theme for this beautiful line. And hello, isn't she absolutely gorgeous? Gotta love the steampunk mermaid, the fun fish and the seahorses. And so you're gonna get 3 of this sheet. On the B side here, this is what we're looking at on the signature page. So I have 3 of these goodies to just dive in and play with and create lots of beautiful, fun, sea-inspired paper crafting projects. This is the second paper in the line, and it's called Aquatic Passage. And it has this fun pattern created with the seahorses. And on the B side, we have this fun yellow polka dot, which is just a great usable polka dot that will complement your projects. There's a third one in there. And here is Mermaid Melody. And this just has so many fun cut-aparts of these steampunk and mermaids, and the scuba diver. It says, "Take me to the sea." How about this guy riding the fish? I mean, this paper is probably my favorite in the whole line. So you'll get 3 of those. On the B side of Mermaid Melody, you have this really fun pattern created with these shells. Super cute. This is Steampunk Splash, which is made with your nice algae and sea kind of plants, and got some starfish in there, of course, with some gears intertwined. On the B side of Steampunk Splash, you have this really fun kind of different word page that you can get in there and cut apart and use some of these fun words for your projects. This is Deep Blue Dreams, and this is a really nice paper that you can cut apart and use the borders. I love you more than all the fish in the sea. You have those nice little stamps there with the pretty mermaid, some other fun borders. The sea is calling and I must go. Sea of Wonders, just a really nice border page. On the B side, you have a nice stripe to be used in that really vibrant turquoise. This is Neptunes Adventure, and I think that Neptune would be our little guy with the top hat on the fish, going on an adventure. Sea of Wonders, a lot of fun images there. On the B side of Neptune's Wonders is this really fun plaid, incorporating all the beautiful colors in the collection. Love it. This is Ocean Quest. Fun. Get in there and get those words, cut those out, the different sayings. and use those on your minis and cards. On the B side of Ocean Quest is this nice pattern using that vibrant orange and some gears. And then Wild Wild Waves is a beautiful paper with all these really great cut aparts to use in your minis or as card toppers. My soul is full of longing for the secret of the sea and the heart of the great ocean. Send a thrilling pulse through me. That's great. Take me to the sea. And then on your B side, you're gonna have this nice monochromatic paper with images of all the great images from the line. So you're gonna get 24 sheets of those papers, 3 of each of the 8 designs. You're gonna get one of the chipboard set to add the dimension to your projects, which is a must. These are just really beautiful tags and frames to add to all of those Papercrafting Voyage Beneath the Sea projects. And then you're gonna get the 2 sticker sheets that you can use to adorn a course. So this is available on our website at g45papers.com. You can also check out a local retailer near you and look at our store locator on our website to find the closest store to you. So thanks for joining me, and be sure to check out Voyage Beneath the Sea.